Hey dolls, happy Sunday. So today is Sunday. So I always change the order on which I do my makeup, y'all, because I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just practicing makeup. I'm trying to learn it. So today I'm going to use my Fenty foundation in 450. And now, for my favorite part, my highlighter. My Hello Halo liquid highlighter in Go With The Bronze. Sorry, Go With The Glow. It's a bronze highlighter, but I love this. Ooh, the doorbell just rang and I am about to have fun. And I just go crazy with this. Okay, let them in. My sister just got here, y'all. And I just got it started with this highlighter. She came in at the nick of time because y'all know this highlighter here, I have too much fun with it. It go everywhere. So I'm putting it like a... See? Look at that. Oh my gosh. And now I'm going to use this Fenty gloss. This is not really a beauty tutorial because they know I don't know how to do makeup like that. Oh. This is a vlog edition. So this is the Fenty gloss in the Gloss Bomb. It's my favorite lip gloss. Say hey.
Hey. How long we gonna be ready?
Want to spray my face? All I need is perfume and we out the door.
Cool.
Under 5. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna spray my face with... Today, let's be a model in a bottle. We're gonna go in with this model in the bottle. She a little dusty. I ain't used her in a while. Close your eyes, and she'll take your eyes out. Yeah. There we go. All right. Ooh, I opened my eyes too soon. And that's it. We almost was gonna be quadruplets.
We really was about to. Like that would have been freaking spooky.
That would have been real cute though.
That'd have been hilarious. You would have.
Do I have enough highlighter on?
Huh?
Do you see cheeks highlighted or no?
I do.
Y'all know I'll go in with this highlighter again. Yeah, I swear I freaking live at the gas station. So first, we're gassing up before we go. We made it to the farm. Let's go see what this water look like down here first, y'all.
Okay. And then the maid.
We gonna go in and see what everything looking like. It's a little hayride and there's some water and things going on down here.
Not like the water cold. Wow, I want to go.
Oh my god.
Look, baby.
Oh my gosh. That's screaming. I don't know which way to go. I guess this way.
Oh, he comes take the cup. Can I see someone else? Not him.
You don't want to feed him?
No.
Feed that duck.
He looks mean. No, thank you. What about the rabbit? Someone else.
You can let those
He looks mean.
You gotta hold it.
What's you afraid of him? Okay. You being bad. Look, Nino. Aww.
I like it.
Okay, so now I'm about to feed the goats. Look at you. Okay. Give him some, Nino. Give him some. He's leaving because you didn't give him any. Look at him. He's waiting. Aw, good job, Bug. Oh, see, he said you placing a camel back there. Aww. You can go on around, Shy.
Daddy will come in just a second.
Go ahead, Bug.
Hold on 1 second. He's coming.
Give him some too. Give him some. Don't be scared.
Oh, he's eating the raw.
Look
Look at him.
hello, dear. Hello. Okay. Are you feeding me or what? The bunny's running away. Look, Bug, come on his backside. See if the bunny.
Hey!
Nino, stop yelling. Oh, you got one. Look, Bug, come over here. Look. I'm gonna give you some of mine. No, Nino, stop screaming.
He took it from me.
He took the cup?
Yeah, he took my cup.
Aww.
Will it run away if I try to touch
I
it?
don't know. Let's see.
Oh!
Come on, get a piece of this food and see if he'll take it. Get a couple pieces. Put them in your hand. All right. See if he'll get it.
Okay. Well, I can do it to the same bunny.
Okay, let's go back to him. Give him some. Don't be afraid of him.
If you poop, don't poop. Oh my goodness! His eyes!
Give it to him, Nino.
His eyes!
Okay, well, record me then if you're not going to do it.
Yeah. Yes.
Let me see. You sure don't have your fingers in the way?
What you doing? Mom, what you doing? What happened?
Eating the donkey. He finished it.
Yeah. Let me see the cup.
You can't get those from. Tire swing.
Yeah.
Just hold on to it or turn it around. There you go. Struggle is real.
No, why you got it?
Epic. Look how fast she's going. Them over there and her over there. You're going so fast. Yes. Yes, Queen. Come on. I'm not sure how much more I'm going to be able to record, y'all. I am at 20%. This is not how this is supposed to be going. Come on. Epic fail.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Are you ready to roll?
Alright, so now we're eating hot dogs. When it rains, you gotta put your coat. When it rains, when it's hot, you gotta sweat. When it's cold, you gotta bundle up. Alright guys, so the last thing is the hayride. And of course, you know, we had to end up in Walmart. So I am in Walmart just getting a few things for the week. We had an awesome time at the farm. Look who it is down here. There they are.
Yeah, it did. But it didn't hit my mommy. So lucky for you.
All right, so we pretty much done all we can do today. Y'all had a good day?
Yes.
Yay.
Buck. Had a good day, Buck.
So yeah, y'all, we just went to the farm and just leaving Walmart, so now we're heading home. All right, dolls, so it's about 10:57. It's 11 o'clock. And I just wanted to come on in and end the vlog because I'm getting ready to wash my face and go to bed. I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you who support me. My subscriber count is climbing and I appreciate you all so much. Thank you. And I just wanted to say good night. And I hope you all have a good, productive work week. Remember, he or she who angers you controls you. Don't give anybody that control this week over you. I know I won't. See y'all later.